One of the most underrated parts of landing a job as a software developer is marketing. And by marketing, I mean marketing yourself and your skills. Your resume shows your experience, but you also have to put yourself and your work out there. You need to have a portfolio of projects you've worked on and have some deployed so recruiters and hiring managers can interact with it. You also need a LinkedIn profile where you share examples of your work, certifications you've received, stuff you've learned, and more. The number of applications to any tech job can be in the hundreds, if not thousands, and having a great online presence that shows off your technical ability is a great way to stand out. You can also leverage the connections you make on sites like LinkedIn to get referrals. If you want to learn more about creating an online presence as a developer, check out Uma Code's Academy. It's a 6-week live cohort program I created for people who have learned how to code but don't know what to do next or are having a hard time landing a job as a developer. In the Academy, we cover topics on creating an online presence and leveraging it to get a job, crafting a software engineering resume, and preparing for technical interviews. We also cover technical concepts like how to break down projects into tasks, continuous integration, proper coding practices, and much more. Applications for the cohort are now open, and the Academy is set to begin January 22nd. There are very limited spots, so go to academy.umacodes.com to apply today.